Hey guys, welcome to my channel. You have a guy here with you, SkyTech. Okay, today we're going to be adding mysql to the directory of our machine and how to access it using cmd. So first of all, we need to know what is mysql and what all the basic tools that we need. So first of all, mysql is an engine that you can use to access your database, do some reshufflement over it, add more records, delete it. You can use mysql to do all that. So but on doing that, you need a local server on your machine, because mysql comes with is inside XAMPP, which is a local server that comes when you download XAMPP from the internet. So as you can see, I have XAMPP here, which I've already downloaded and installed it on my machine. So mysql is incorporated inside XAMPP, which is a local server. So just for us to add mysql to the directory of a machine, which you can access using the command prompt of a machine, you just need to go to the where XAMPP has been installed. The default folder is always the local disk C. So go here, local disk C, and as you can see, this is XAMPP. This is the XAMPP folder. So you need to access this XAMPP folder because mysql is also installed inside this directory. So just access mysql, click there. Okay, so you need to take the bin. So what we are trying to do here, we want to add mysql to the directory of our machine so that we can access it using command prompt. So just copy that and go to my computer. Right click, take properties. So as you can see, I'm running a Windows 10. So just take advanced system setting, take environment variables, and now we need to add it to the path of our machine, that the directory to our machine, so we can access using command prompt. So just click here, path, double click, and as you can see, there are other things here which have been already added to our machine. As you guys can see, I've already added this directory, the directory of where XAMPP is found, and the bin directory. I've already added it here, but let's just delete that and add it again for you guys to understand it more better. Okay, so make sure you add another semicolon, because other operating system like let's say educational Windows 10, their dialog box might be different, so mine is also different. So just make sure you add another semicolon and you paste that directory here. As you guys can see, it's still the same directory that we copied from the XAMPP folder. So make sure as you guys can also see, you have other applications that I've already installed. You have PyCharm, Community Edition, and other things that have already been added automatically. So we're just doing this manually. Okay, so just make sure you take OK here. Make sure you take OK here again and take OK. So I've successfully added mysql to the directory of our machine, which you can access it using cmd. So make sure you just come here, press the Windows key of your machine, type cmd. So as cmd is open, make sure you type cmd and press enter as cmd is open. So what we now need to do is, since we have our XAMPP currently running, we haven't started our XAMPP. So make sure if you type mysql and press enter, you get an error message because you haven't started. Make sure the message you cannot connect to mysql server on localhost. It means that you haven't started the local host of a machine, that is the XAMPP control panel. So make sure you always start that first before you come to a command prompt and type it. So on that, let's go back to the XAMPP control panel. Make sure you add this shortcut on your Windows desktop. So make sure you start Apache and mysql. You can start FileZilla, Mercury, it doesn't matter, but just start Apache and start mysql. Okay, let's just start this. Okay, now if you come back here to command prompt, and if you type mysql U stand for user, and the default is always root, and P stand for the password. But since you haven't added any password on your mysql engine of your machine, so you can just press enter and it show welcome to mysql. So technically you can see that there is slightly, it shows mysql, which is different from what we have here. So that is it, guys. This is how you add mysql to the directory of machine, which you can access it using command prompt. So what I earlier said, you can use mysql to access the databases on your local host. Like you can just say show databases. make sure you end with a semicolon, and it shows you the default database that always comes with them. So these are the default database that always come with them. So this is just a tip. And on the next video I will be showing you guys how to add a password on your MySQL. So you can just say use this database change. These are just tips just to encourage you guys, because the next video will be very awesome. So on the next video we'll be exploring how to use MySQL to create more databases, how to delete records, how to add records, and how to run multiple awesome queries using MySQL. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you support my hard work by liking, subscribe, share, and comment. Anything you need me to do under computer science like networking, I'm down with that. So thank you very much, and have a blessed day. Thank you.